This is part 2 of my slime video. So, first you'll need to add in your glue. So make sure you go watch part 1 for the ingredients. Just pour some in. It just depends on how much you want. I'm just using this well, not Chick-fil-A. You can barely see it, but it's in there. It's white. And next thing that you will need is, this is the part where you add food coloring. So you will need food coloring. So yeah. Mine's like thick, so I'm just gonna draw a little. So about that much. I mean, mine looks kind of black, but so actually you might not need 2 sticks. And then mix it together. I know mine looks really weird right now, but this is kind of the color that I really wanted it to turn out to be like. It's a mint color. That is why I chose green, because I wanted it just a little minty color. If you didn't get the color you wanted, just keep adding a little bit at a time and stir. You can pause right now to add more food coloring. So yeah, next will be your water. So just add your water little by little, because we don't want it to get too watery. So don't want it to get too watery. So yeah, it should look, well, just blend it in right here, and I'll be back when I'm done blending it. So just make sure it looks smooth like that. And so yeah, can't get it to stay. And next is shaving cream. So yeah, just add shaving cream, as not as much as you want, because well, for this shake my head. Make sure you strike yours up. So as y'all can see, can't see, barely any glue, and then just stir that up. This is going to be a lot, so be back when I'm done making it smooth. So it should look like this, but I can't really see my green anymore. So what I'm going to do is add more of my food coloring. So just like that, and stir. So it's turning the color that I like. And so yeah. And you need a bowl with a lid. So yeah. So that's my color that I came out with. Now is the part where you need to add your liquid starch little by little, or any of your solution to make it thick. So just mix your little at a time. It should be getting kind of thick. If not, then just keep adding. But little by little, make sure And just keep mixing. See how mine is getting thick? So, yeah. It's getting thick. So, you might want to add just a little more of your water. So, and then just mix those together. And take it off the lid. So beware to mix this with your hands at the end. So if you are not aware of mixing it, if your brother, sister, anybody have made slime in your family, they needed it. So just let them need it. Just keep adding that liquid starch. I'll be back when mine is thick. So mine is all thick now where you need to knead it. This is the time where you need to knead it. I made a lot. So mine is kind of sticky, so I'm just going to lay it on my table and just keep kneading it. Should get unsticky. Or if this is your first time making slime, thank you for watching how I make my slime. And so yeah, maybe you want to add some more liquid starch. That's fine. You just add it all over the top. But if you have laundry detergent, I might not want to do that because it can get all over the place and I don't think laundry detergent will work. But if you've already used it, if it worked, just let me know down below and I'll be able, if you want me to make slime with laundry detergent and salt, other stuff. Just comment down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, push the notification bell right up there by my name tag and where the subscribe button is. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.